Now we will try to create the details page of the product. So let's begin. I will create a new folder, call it product. And inside that, I will create a new file, call it product details. Product details page dot. It will be a stateless widget. And we will return a scaffold as always. Inside that, we will have an app bar as this one. Now, if you notice, this app bar, the same app bar we used in search page, and it can be used in the cart page and the payment page as well. Although there is no icon in the cart page or the payment page, but we can modify it that way. So since we already did it in search page, let us make this app bar a reusable component and then reuse it in all the other pages wherever possible. So let us go to the search page first of all, and then cart this app bar that we have made. And inside the widgets folder, we will take a new file, call it appbar common. The reason why I am taking this inside the widget folder is because it doesn't belong to any specific page. It will be used in many pages. Okay, now I will take a stateless widget, call it appbar common. And from here, I will simply return the app bar. Let us import the SVG package. And simply call the appbar common class that we have created. It is showing an error. If we hover over this, it says the argument type appbar common cannot be assigned to the parameter type preferred sized widget. So to fix this problem in our appbar common class, what we can do, we can implement the preferred size widget. And make this a stateful widget first of all. To make it from stateless to stateful, simply click on this stateless widget keyword and then click on the icon, convert to stateful. And inside this state, we can paste it. This code right here. Actually, sorry, not here. You can paste it right here. So what this will do, this will override the preferred size, and this is the height of the app bar that will be. So you can use any height you like. For example, I can use 80, and if I hit save right now, everything should work just like before. So let us go to the source page, and as you can see, it is working fine. Now there are a lot of spacing right here, and that is because the app bar is taking a lot of height. So I think instead of 8, I can use something like 50. Yes, 50 seems okay. So let us use this same app bar inside our product details page, right? We were working on this one. Now if I use this app bar right here, the app bar command that we have just created, our product details page will also show this title right here, right? But it should say detailed product. Now the reason it will show source is because we didn't make it dynamic. We have to make the text dynamic. So we will do that. First of all, let us make the card clickable. So when we click on the card, it takes us to product details page. So we already know how to navigate to another page, which we did right here in the home page. So I will simply copy it and I will go to the featured product class. And we have a container. This is the item. This is every product. So I will make it clickable. To make something clickable, you can wrap it in another widget. And that widget is called inkwell. And what this inkwell does, it gives us on tap functionality. And inside this on tap, we can do anything, meaning when the user clicks on this, we can do anything. So we want the user to navigate to another page, which is called product details page. Hit save. Now if I click on any of the product, it takes me to the product details page. But just like I said, the product details page shouldn't show source right here. It should show this. So let us make the app bar command dynamic, and how we can do that is pretty simple. I have already shown you in previous tutorial. Let us go to the app bar command class and we will take a variable which should be final. I will name it title. Now if you hover over this and click on quick fix, add final parameter, it will be added right here. Let us make this required. So from other pages it shows error and we know that we have to pass it. So I will pass the value from search page. I will pass the string search, and from the product details page I will source the string, this one. Now if I press save, it is not working, and that is because we have to use this title in the appbar command class. We have to use this variable right here. Now I cannot use it if it is a I cannot use it like this if it is a stateful widget. It is a stateful widget, so I have to use it like this. To access this title right here, this variable right here, we have to say widget dot title. Remove the const and it should work just fine. Now it is working nicely. Okay, so we have just made our app bar reusable. So everywhere we need an app bar like this, we can simply call this app bar class, and then we can pass the title.